Which one is it?
The pink one.
Which one is it?
The pink one.
Who is he?
He is my sibling.
Who is he?
He is my sibling.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Who made the lunch?
My mom.
Who made the lunch?
My mom.
When does the class finish?
At 11 o'clock.
When does the class finish?
At 11 o'clock.
Why do you exercise?
To stay fit.
Why do you exercise?
To stay fit.
When are you free?
I'm free tonight.
When are you free?
I'm free tonight.
Which teacher do you like?
English teacher.
Which teacher do you like?
English teacher.
Why are you running?
I am getting late.
Why are you running?
I am getting late.
What's his name?
His name is John.
What's his name?
His name is John.
What are you doing here?
I have some work here.
What are you doing here?
I have some work here.
What did you buy?
I bought banana.
What did you buy?
I bought banana.
Who is stronger?
You are stronger.
Who is stronger?
You are stronger.
Whose friend is he?
He is my friend.
Whose friend is he?
He is my friend.
How was the movie?
Not so bad.
How was the movie?
Not so bad.
How to go to school?
Go by bicycle.
How to go to school?
Go by bicycle.
How did you make it?
I know how to do it.
How did you make it?
I know how to do it.
Will it rain today?
Yes, it will.
Will it rain today?
Yes, it will.
Do you care?
Yes, very little.
Do you care?
Yes, very little.
Do you need any help?
No, thank you.
Do you need any help?
No, thank you.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Are you thirsty?
No, I am not.
Are you thirsty?
No, I am not.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
May I use your phone?
Yes, of course you can.
May I use your phone?
Yes, of course you can.
What's on your mind?
I am just thinking.
What's on your mind?
I am just thinking.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is Chinese noodles.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is Chinese noodles.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your profession?
I am a doctor.
What's your profession?
I am a doctor.
What are your symptoms?
I've got headache.
What are your symptoms?
I've got headache.
How is the weather?
It is raining.
How is the weather?
It is raining.
What's on your mind?
I am just thinking.
What's on your mind?
I am just thinking.
How was the party?
It was good.
How was the party?
It was good.
What is it?
It's fruits.
What is it?
It's fruits.
Do you drink coffee?
I drink coffee sometime.
Do you drink coffee?
I drink coffee sometime.
Are you upset?
Yes, I am upset.
Are you upset?
Yes, I am upset.
How was your day?
It was good.
How was your day?
It was good.
What is that?
That is temple.
What is that?
That is temple.
What are you doing?
I am playing game.
What are you doing?
I am playing game.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I like.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I like.
Why are you laughing?
Because I am happy.
Why are you laughing?
Because I am happy.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am very happy.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am very happy.
What's your job?
I am a student.
What's your job?
I am a student.
Who is she?
She is my sister.
Who is she?
She is my sister.
Where is the cow?
The cow is under the tree.
Where is the cow?
The cow is under the tree.
Who is he?
He is my grandfather.
Who is he?
He is my grandfather.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
What do you do for fun?
I'll listening music.
What do you do for fun?
I'll listening music.
Can you bake cookies?
Yes, I can bake cookies.
Can you bake cookies?
Yes, I can bake cookies.
What do you see?
I see a bird.
What do you see?
I see a bird.
Where is the laptop?
It is on the table.
Where is the laptop?
It is on the table.
Where does it hurt?
On my knee.
Where does it hurt?
On my knee.
Are you a teacher?
No, I am a student.
Are you a teacher?
No, I am a student.
Where is your family?
At my home.
Where is your family?
At my home.
What's in your mind?
I am just thinking.
What's in your mind?
I am just thinking.
Do you go for a walk?
No, I'm usually busy.
Do you go for a walk?
No, I'm usually busy.
Where are my glasses?
On the table.
Where are my glasses?
On the table.
Does she like the school?
She is excited to go.
Does she like the school?
She is excited to go.
Where do you work?
I work in a store.
Where do you work?
I work in a store.
Who is that?
That is my brother.
Who is that?
That is my brother.
Can you play chess?
No, I can't.
Can you play chess?
No, I can't.
Can I see that one?
Yes, you can see.
Can I see that one?
Yes, you can see.
Is the question correct?
No, it is wrong.
Is the question correct?
No, it is wrong.
What is in your bag?
There are some books.
What is in your bag?
There are some books.
Why are you crying?
I lost my money.
Why are you crying?
I lost my money.
Do you want some milk?
Yes, please.
Do you want some milk?
Yes, please.
What is this?
This is grilled chicken.
What is this?
This is grilled chicken.
Can I have a snack?
Yes, you can.
Can I have a snack?
Yes, you can.
Who is the dancer?
My sister is the dancer.
Who is the dancer?
My sister is the dancer.
How is your family?
Everyone is good.
How is your family?
Everyone is good.
How do you know me?
I have seen you in my village.
How do you know me?
I have seen you in my village.
What does your mother do?
My mother in a cooking.
What does your mother do?
My mother in a cooking.
Where are you going?
I am going to the market.
Where are you going?
I am going to the market.
What are you doing?
I am reading a book.
What are you doing?
I am reading a book.
Who broke this?
My son broke this.
Who broke this?
My son broke this.
Whose friend is she?
She is my friend.
Whose friend is she?
She is my friend.
Can you handle it?
I will try to handle it.
Can you handle it?
I will try to handle it.